Assalamualaikum. I am Mohammed Shafay from 4th class from Multan Public School, Multan. Today I will teach you computer. Chapter number 2, Input and Output Devices. What are input and output devices? Input devices, the devices which help us to enter data in the computer, are called input devices. For example, keyboard, mouse, scanner, camera, and joystick. Output devices, the devices which show output from the computer, are called output devices. For example, monitor, headphones, printer, projector, and speaker. Now I will show you input and output devices. This is my computer and this is monitor. Monitor is output device. This is keyboard. Keyboard is input device. This is mouse. Mouse is also input device. This is speakers. Speakers are output device. This is camera. Camera is input device. This is headphones. Headphones are output device. And this is scanner. Scanner is input device while the printer is output device. I hope you have enjoyed the video. Thank you.